What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. So today we will be covering the registration and deregistration of unmanned aircraft systems. So I will also add the manufacture, assembly and testing of unmanned aircraft. So let's get into it. So registration of unmanned aircraft systems or drones. So an operator or owner of an unmanned aircraft system shall register the unmanned aircraft system with the authority and be issued with a certificate of registration. That's it for the registration. You must register, generally, that's what they're telling you. And you must be issued with a certificate of registration. So the authority shall establish and implement a system for registration and identification of unmanned aircraft systems in Kenya, which shall be displayed on the unmanned aircraft system at all times. So yeah, once you register your drone, all the details shall be shown on your drone, and also the board that the authority that will register your drone will have the information, so as to regulations and everything. So let's say you have registered your drone, and as we had said earlier, you want to move to another country, or you want to transfer ownership of that drone to someone else. So what do? You register the drone, give or you register the drone first. So let's see the rules or the regulations that come when you want to deregister your drone. So deregistration of unmanned aircraft systems. The authority may deregister or cancel the registration of unmanned aircraft systems. Okay. Let's see the conditions that, yeah. The authority may register or cancel the registration of unmanned aircraft systems upon application of the owner for purposes of registering it in another state. So this is Kenya for you people who have big countries that their counties are called states. A state in this term means another country. Yeah. So upon application for the owner, so if you apply for the registration, yeah, you can register it upon its destruction. So once your drone is destroyed, I won't expound on this one. I just thought of the way drones fall and the wings of the drone just get destroyed. I don't know if you can you can register your drone because of that, but anyway, if it's destroyed to a point where you will need to replace it on another drone, you will need to deregister it so that it can be removed from the information system of drones, of the drone owners in Kenya, so that the system does not reflect that there is a drone out there, and out there where it is reflecting, the drone is already destroyed. That's the sense of this one. So upon its permanent withdrawal from use, so let's say you are using a DJI 1 copyright. So yeah, let's say you are using a good drone like a DJI, let me say. So and there is these ones that have come out, the FPVs. You want to update your drone, yeah, and the last drone that you are using, you want to remove it completely from use. You will not be using it completely again. You must deregister it so that it reflects as it is deregistered. So the next thing, if it is in the interest of national security, this point this point just makes me, I don't know, it's because of the movies and everything, national security, blah blah blah. Anyway, if it's in the interest of national security, you must register your drone. Well, as I have seen in these rules, there is a point where if the government feels, or if the authority that registered your drone, which is under the government, if it feels that your drone is risking national security, or yeah, if it is in the interest of national security, the drone must be deregistered. Where the authority determines that the owner or the operator has violated these regulations, or in any circumstances that the authority deems fit. That's the point I was trying to say earlier, that the authority that gave you the permit to register your drone, it also has the authority to take the license from you or to take the certificate from you. And once you don't have the certificate, you cannot use the drone. So if the authority deems fit, if the today, well, it doesn't happen like that, but if today the authority wakes up and feels like, this person doesn't deserve a drone, they can take it from you. But it is not that vague anyway. But yeah, that's the, yeah, if it deems fit that you have not followed the regulations that have been put there to govern the drones, the drone use and everything, the drone may be deregistered, and yeah, you will lose your license after that. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. For those who are continuing watching this series, there are other 2 or 3 videos that have come before this one, and I hope you're getting, some knowledge about the drone rules in Kenya. And thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you like my content, like the video, and share it to other people who might want to know the drone regulations in Kenya. And apart from that, nothing else, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.